All right, now we're doing 7Q tidy number, special number series number 9. This is by Mr. Zizo Scream, and 93% of people like it. A tidy number is a number whose digits are in ascending order. Task: given a number, find if it's tidy or not. All right. So this is tidy because 1 is smaller than 2. This is not tidy because 3 is bigger than 2. This is not tidy because 0 is smaller than 1. This is tidy because that's totally ascending order right there. All right. So now that we know this, we're going to come over here and change it up to concise syntax. All right. And for this one, all we have to do basically is just change this to a string, split it up, check to see if we can sort it. We're going to sort it in ascending order, make it back into a number. We don't even have to do that. We'll just join it back together and then see if it's equal to n again. So basically, we're going to say n dot. What is it? No. First, we're going to use this string constructor. And the string constructor is used to create a new string, and it also can, when called instead of as a function, it performs type conversion to a primitive string, right? So we just put string in front of the thing, we're going to put string and then in parentheses, and that's what we're going to do. So string in, all right, now it's a string. Now we're going to split it up by the spaces in between the characters. If you don't know what split is, it's just a method that takes a pattern and divides a string into an ordered list of substrings by searching for a pattern, putting the substrings into an array, and returning the array. All right, and we're just going to split it like this with the spaces in between the characters, so every digit has its own element. All right, and then we're going to sort it. All right, and if you don't know what sort is, sort just it sorts the elements of the array in place and returns the reference to the same array now stored. The thing is, we can only do it when we're doing it by digits. We can only do it if it's single digits, because the default sort order is ascending, built upon converting the elements into strings, then comparing their sequences to the UTF-16 code. So like down here, even though it's 100,000, it's still going to be in front of 20 because 1 is in front of 2. And that's just how sort works. So we're just going to leave sort like this since it's by single digits, and then we're going to join it together. Join by the spaces in between the characters, and its join is just like split except for the other way. And we're going to do it by the spaces in between the characters just like this. All right? And we're going to see if this equals, just a double equal sign is good, in, because as we may remember from the olden days, double equals will match a string to a number if it needs to. If we do a triple equals, it won't work. But we could just make this a string anyway. But no big deal. So that's going to work. That hopefully will work. Let's see. Test it out. Perfect. Attempt it. Great. Submit it. All right. And it's pretty much the same as this one. This one's just done in a more convoluted way. The in is added to an empty string, so now in is a string, and then it's inside this new array, and then they use the spread syntax to turn it to just make the string into an array of single digits, basically, and then sort join equals in, just like that. And then they do this too, which is, I don't know, whatever. Cool, man. So let's go to my solutions. Best practice on this is just me, very much like this one, and we'll see you next time.